Do you like playing in a pile of clothes?
No.
Clothes?
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Oh boy.
Kaboom! Maya, you are funny. Do you want to help Mommy organize and fold those clothes?
Oh. Oh.
Clothes? That's a sweater.
Why?
Thank you.
Walk.
Walk? Are you walking? Walk? Where are you going, Maya? Where are you going? Uh-oh, are you trying to wear Mommy's whatever that is shirt? That won't quite fit you, my friend.